Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. We are gonna be doing a kind of grungy, vampy kind of look today. We're starting off by doing the eyebrows. I'm not doing as much as I normally would for my eyebrows today. I'm just putting some gel in them and kind of brushing them up to give them a more full, fluffy kind of look. I'm using my P. Louise base just to put a primer down so that my eyeshadow is nice and vibrant. And I just got this palette, so this is my first time using this, so we'll get to see how it works. I'm just setting my eyelid with that white color and then going in with that orange shade there just to put on a transition color. And I'm doing a halo eye today, so I'm using that warmer orange just to carve out the circle for my halo eye. I'm going to use that shade for a little bit more definition on the outer corner. Using my P. Louise base again just to cut out the middle of my eyeshadow there, so that way we can start on the halo eye. Going in with this red shade, like this auburn glittery red shade, just to blend the outer color in with the inner color. Blend, blend, blend. I'm using that orange shade that I used to create the circle for my halo eye, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye and connect those two colors together. My Norvina palette, as you can see, that palette is very much loved. We are using that dark red to give a little bit more definition. In the Lala palette, there wasn't a shade that I liked that was dark enough, so we're using that really dark, almost chocolatey color. Ooh, I'm liking the way it's turning out. That champagne color just to give a really nice pop on that inner lid. Time for smokiness. Using the eyeliner just to give that really dark smoky effect underneath my eyes and make my eyes really pop. Using that dark shade again just to smoke out my lower lash line a little bit more. cutest face expressions while doing underneath my eye. I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara before I put on my falsies, just to help those two blend together really nicely. And voila! I am obsessed with this Tatra liquid silk canvas primer. It fills in your pores really nice and helps your foundation from settling into your pores and making your foundation and your skin just look so smooth and just airbrushed. The NARS Sheer Glow. I love this foundation so much. It gives really nice coverage. It says sheer, but to me, this is more like a medium coverage because I have a lot of blemishes on my face and it covers them right up. So I don't know who this is sheer to, but me, it's medium. And I am obsessed because I have dry skin and it gives you that nice glow and it doesn't dry out your skin. I love it so much. Don't forget to go down the neck. And I'm using also the NARS concealer to go along with that. It gives such amazing coverage and it's not too drying or cakey. Like majority of makeup is seriously just blending. I am always blending. You have to make sure to blend everything out to make it look more natural and not too harsh. So blend, 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 and blend some more. Time to set that face and bake underneath my eyes so that concealer does not crease underneath there. Look at all that powder. Time to bronze and contour. Put some color back into these cheekbones. Lord knows I need it. We gonna look sculpted. Going out a little bit extra today. I'm doing the jawline and I don't normally do that, but we feeling it. We doing it. Now I am gonna bake underneath that contour just to help my cheekbones stand out a little bit more. And let's do the nose. Why not? Time for blush. I wasn't sure how I was gonna like this blush because I don't normally go for a shade this dark, but I really like the way this turned out. And also here recently, I have been obsessed with putting blush on my nose. Give me more of like a sun-kissed kind of look. I think it's so cute. Time to wipe away that bake. Swoosh, swoosh. Ooh, my favorite part. Time to highlight those cheeks, nose, give ourselves a glow. Yes. And since we're doing a more grungy, vampy kind of look, I am using a dark red today. Who else is so particular about how they put their lipstick on? My lipstick and my eyebrows, I always spend so much time on. And then I'm using this Too Faced lipstick just to give a little bit of a glow, or shine rather. And time to set the face. Guys, let me know down below in the comments what you think of the look today. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. And if you liked it, please hit that like and subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, as well as Twitch for live content. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!